Hello friends, now we are moving towards question. All the types of question we will see of synonym, all type of possibility question, negative questions and direct question. All the questions we will cover. So you have to just see those videos. These questions are more than enough. I tried to cover all the types of question. So hope you will find it easy to understand this chapter. So here are few questions that you can see. Only a few herbals are lavender. So what that means? Only a few means some portion of herbals are lavender. All lavenders are organic. So I can do like this. All lavenders are organic. No candle is herbal. So here is a candle. No candle is herbal. I can do like this. So possibility case is there. All candles being lavender is possible. So all candle being lavender, can it be possible? Yes, it can be. Can be like this, right? Can be like this. So after that, this no condition is satisfying, that no candle is herbal, right? And all lavenders are organic. Still lavenders are organic, right? And only a few herbals are uh, this lavender. So all condition is fulfilling even after changing the candle position inside the lavender, which is not touching the herbals. This condition can be true. So the possibility of first case is there. Then all organics being candle is a possibility. Means this is organic, right? And or organic being a candle means like this they are telling, right? Is this possible? So if candle take a big circle, then this lavender also come inside it, right? And lavender and herbal are coinciding. This cannot be happen. So first is only true, second is not. So answer first is only true for the possibility case. Okay. So here is a question that some dogs are cat. So you will make like this. Some dogs are cat. This is dogs. This is cats. Right. All cats are bull. All cats are bull. I can make like this. All cats are bulls. All bulls are horses. So one more circle will come like this, right? All bulls are horses. Now the question is, some dogs are cat, some dogs are cat. So you directly have to see, this is dog, this is horse. So this can happen. So this is true, right? Because it is intersecting. Some cats are horses. This is cats and this is horses. So we can see that all cats are horses, right? All cats are horses. We cannot say some. This is false. All horses are cat is also a possibility. So all horses can be cat. This cannot be possibility, right? Because how can we accommodate this inside this? Not right. This is also false. So first is right, other two is wrong. So here is a question that some shoes are socks. This is shoes. This is your socks, right? Now, right, this is your shoes. Okay. Now this is your socks. So all socks are towel. This can come like this, towel. All towel are bed sheets. So this is again come. This comes as bed sheet. And no bed sheet should be blanket. There is no relation between bed sheet and blanket. So now the conclusion: some shoes are blanket is a also a possibility. If there was no possibility word, then we direct have to check in diagram. But when they say you possibility, you have to apply your mind and check whether this is possible or not. And filling all this condition means it should not violate any of those conditions. So some shoes are blanket. So I can do like this. Yes, some shoe become blanket, and and still there is no relation between bedsheet and blanket, right? There is no relation. So this can be true. This can be true, right? And all the conditions are inact. some shoes are socks. This all things happening. So it doesn't violate. So yes, this is true. All blanket are shoes. So this is your blanket, right? This is your blanket. All blankets are shoes. So this can also happen if I do like this without intersecting this part. This I can take as blanket. So it is not intersecting in shoes and other thing. It is separately, and there is no connection between this and blanket. So yes, this can also happen. This is also true. Now the third case, all shoes are blanket is also a possibility. This is your shoes and this is your blanket, right? Can all shoes can become blanket, right? This is asked. This cannot be happen. This cannot be possibility they are asking. So shoes can become blanket. If I do this, if I insert like this, then this condition get violated, right? This too. So this cannot happen, right? This cannot happen. All shoes cannot become blanket, right? So the third condition is false. So true, true, false. Okay. So here is a question. So we have to make like this. All pens are bag. This is your pen. This is your bags, right? Then all bags are glasses. So this will be your glasses. No glass is spoon. There is no relation between glass and spoon. And all spoons are bags. This will be your what bags? Books. Okay. So the first statement say some glasses are pen. You can see, you have to directly see. There is no possibility case. So you have to directly see in diagram and tell us. So pen is there, glasses are there. So yes, it is true. Some glasses are pen. You can see that there are some out of entire glasses, some glasses are there which are pen. You can do like this, right? This I told you in concept video. You can make some glasses uh, as pen like this, or you can make it like this. Means out of the glasses, some glasses are there which are pen. So if we this are pen, this is glasses. So out of the entire glasses, some glasses out of this glasses, some are pen. So this is true. Some books are bags. So you can see from the picture there is no intersection between bags and books. So this is false. No spoon is a pen. So opposite of it, right? No statement. So some spoon is a pen. So this is your spoon. This is your pen, right? This is your spoon. This is your pen. So you can see some spoons are pen. For this you have to check. Some spoons are pen. So this is not possible, right? Because if you go inside for pen, this circle will interrupt here only. This cannot be possible. So this false comes out. So the original statement will come up as true, right? Then no bag is a book. No bag is a book. So no bag is a book. You have to check. So this is your bag, right? This is your book. Book. So you will know is there. So you will check for some books are some uh, bag are books. So this can happen. Yes, this can happen because there is restriction for spoon, but not for books. Books can intersect like this. This statement comes out to be true. The original will comes out to be false. That means 1 and 3rd is true. Only 1 and 3rd are true, and 2 and 4 are false. Right. So this will be your answer. So here is a question for us. First is no bench is table. So there is no relation between bench and table. Second is all tables are chair. All tables comes under chair. So now the question is, first is some chairs are not benches. So I told you whenever you see not, you have to change it. So some will change to what? All chairs are benches. All chairs are benches. This it changed to. So you can see that no bench is table. It is given to us. No bench, table and bench. There should be no relation. But all chairs are benches. We have to check for it. So you cannot put this chair inside it, right? Because there is already table inside it. So all chair cannot go inside bench. So this statement comes out to be false. So opposite of it, the opposite will come out true. So the first statement comes out true. Okay. Second, some chairs are benches. Some chairs are benches. So you have to directly check this chair. Some chairs are benches. So you can do this, right? You can intersect chair and benches like this. It is not violating our condition, right? No bench is stable. Yes, no bench is stable. There is no interaction between these two. All tables are chair. So all tables are chair. So yes, the second one will also get comes to be true. Some benches some benches are not chair. Now this is the third statement, that some benches are not chair. So not comes, so you have to change. Some benches means some will change into what? All benches are chair, are chair. So you have to check. Can all benches become chair? All benches can become chair, right? All benches can become chair like this, right? And there is no contact between them. So yes, this can happen. So this is coming true. So opposite of will be false. So third will be your incorrect. Fourth is no bench is chair. So no, so it comes. So some benches are chair. You have to check for it. So some benches you can make chair, right? We already did. So this comes out to be true. So opposite it comes out to be false. So option number 1 and 2 is true. 1 and 2 is true, and 3 comma 4 is false. Okay, follows 3 comma 4. So option number C will be there. So 1 and 2 is true and 3 and 4 is false. Thank you.